Hello everyone, this is Viren and welcome back to another Facebook marketing tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn all about Facebook pixels. Now, Facebook pixel is basically a piece of code that you have to go and add to your website. Now, once you add the Facebook pixel on your website, you can do multiple things with it. One, Facebook starts tracking people who are coming to your website. So using that, you can build your own audience on Facebook. So if someone visited your website and you wanted to show those same people ads on Facebook, you could do that with Facebook Pixel. Secondly, you could add some events on your page, just like we add events for Google Analytics or other analytic platforms. We can add conversion events with Facebook Pixel as well. Now what that does is you can start paying Facebook per conversion on your ads. So you do not have to anymore pay for clicks on your ad. Rather, you can pay Facebook when someone makes a conversion on your website, like registering or subscribing or performing some action on your site. So as you can see, there are multiple benefits of adding Facebook Pixel to your website. Now in this video, I'm going to add Facebook Pixel to my website. To find that piece of code that I'm talking about, you will first have to visit the Ads Manager, and right up here, go to All Tools, and you will see something called Pixels under Assets. Now let's go to Pixels. Now I had previously already installed the Pixel to my website, which I have removed now in order to show you how to set it up again, which is why you can already see some data here. But for you guys, if you haven't set up your Pixel before, this would probably be empty. You can create audiences, create conversion events with the Pixel, but we'll get into that later. Let's start by setting up the Pixel. So there are two ways in which you can add this code to your website. One is with integrating it with other tag manager platforms. These platforms could be Shopify, Google Tag Manager, Magento, BigCommerce, or Segment. If you're using any one of these, you can use them to add the Pixel to your site. Otherwise, you can just copy paste the code. This is the code, and this needs to be added into the head section of all the pages on your website. If you have developed your website yourself, or if you're using something like WordPress, I'll show you where to exactly add this code. If not, you can send this code to anyone who's managing your website and ask them to add this to the header of all the pages on your website. So I've copied this code. Now let me just go to my WordPress account and add this to the header. In the WordPress, you can go to Appearances and Editor. Go to the theme header. And in the header section, I'll just paste this code. Update file. That's all. That's really all you have to do. You can also add events, but we will get into this later. There are a lot of different kinds of events that you can add, like search or viewing some content, add to cart, wish list, purchase. A lot of events. You can create custom events. We'll get into this later. And finally, you can check whether the Pixel is working or not. You can email these instructions to someone else if someone else is managing your website. Once this is done and you refresh the page, you will see that this Pixel has started working. Now, since I just clicked on Setup Pixel and started this, I got the code immediately, but when you do that, since you're setting up for the first time, you're gonna get a page like this, which is gonna say name your pixel, and you can do that. Well, that's about it. This was a very short tutorial to show you how to add this pixel. Once this is done, we are gonna now start getting into adding events and seeing what are the things we can do with this pixel and how we can integrate this with the ads on Facebook to reach our audience in a much more effective way and track conversions in a much better way. If I have added value to you and taught you something new, then please subscribe to my channel and share this with someone who might be interested in learning more about Facebook advertising. Thank you.